Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to take a look at how to repair your digestive system in just 8 weeks. Have you felt overwhelmed by piecemeal advice when trying to improve your health? Maybe you've tried different diets or approaches, but nothing seems to address the root issue or lead to lasting change. It's frustrating when you're dealing with symptoms and feeling stuck. The truth is, traditional methods often overlook the central role of the gut in overall health and immune regulation. Quick fixes rarely address the underlying habits that determine long-term wellness. Your gut health is truly the foundation of your overall wellness. It's a complex system, and when it's not running well, it can lead to chronic inflammation and worsen symptoms. Experts like Dr. Natasha Campbell-McBride and Robin Chutkan emphasize the crucial role your gut plays in health and how a disrupted gut environment can weaken immune defenses. They remind us that isolated interventions aren't enough. You need a well-structured, progressive approach. Imagine constructing a stable building. You first need a robust base, in this case, a healthy gut, before adding layers of strategies that support immune resilience. Repairing your digestive system isn't an overnight process, but with a clear, step-by-step framework that builds on trusted methodologies, significant change is possible within a defined time frame. A 60-day, roughly 8-week plan, for instance, gives you a manageable time frame to see progress and make adjustments. So, how do you move from feeling overwhelmed by symptoms and confusing advice to having a clear roadmap to repair your digestive system? How do you ensure every step you take builds upon the previous one to enhance gut function and support your immune system? A structured program starts by mapping out where you are right now. This assessment is crucial because it lets you identify what parts of your gut might need extra support. Then, it guides you through targeted nutritional adjustments and lifestyle habits proven to promote a thriving gut environment. Finally, it helps you set actionable goals and monitor progress. Sharing it with a friend who might also benefit would be greatly appreciated. And if you're interested in more science-backed strategies for your well-being, we'd love for you to subscribe. This isn't just about knowing facts, it's about shifting your perspective and empowering you to take control. It's about turning assessment insights into a clear roadmap. A comprehensive approach involves goals and milestones in core areas like diet, supplements, and lifestyle. For example, diet goals might focus on increasing whole foods and anti-inflammatory options, while lifestyle goals address sleep and stress management. But how do you realistically implement these steps over 8 weeks? How do you break down the journey into smaller segments to stay on track and ensure that consistency and adjustment are part of the process? Experts like James Clear emphasize that small, consistent changes lead to significant long-term transformation. Dr. Mark Hyman's work shows that structured lifestyle changes are key. If you're tired of feeling confused or trying isolated interventions that don't yield lasting results, and you want a structured plan to build a strong foundation for your gut and immune system over a specific period, there is a way forward. It's about transforming your assessment insights into a customized plan. To truly understand how to implement a clear, action-oriented framework, from establishing a baseline to building consistency and consolidating progress within a defined time frame, like 8 weeks, there's more essential information. It's about applying practical insights to make meaningful changes. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about repairing your digestive system through a structured approach, you can find a detailed video linked in the description below. For a complete, step-by-step, 60-day action plan that transforms your health, integrating diet, supplements, and lifestyle changes tailored just for you, check out the link to our course in the description as well. It's time to stop trying piecemeal advice and start building a resilient foundation. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information was helpful. Share this video to spread awareness about natural autoimmune recovery, and for all future modules on gut health and immune function, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications.